All right, let's talk a little bit about this thing. This is just a 6-foot by 4-foot drag harrow I picked up the other day from Tractor Supply because I had just reseeded the yard. And what it does, it helped in the leveling and pulling some trash out of the yard and that kind of stuff. But the main reason I got it is because it will work your seed and your fertilizer into the ground. Let's flip this thing up and see what this thing's all about. This thing has these spikes that come out and do just what the name implies. They drag the ground, and it tills it up. I'll show you some more video shots of that, and helps cover up your grass seed. You can use this thing in several different configurations. You can hook this bar up here up to either that side or this side back here with these S hooks, and what that does is it changes how aggressive these things work your soil or your yard or whatever you're doing with it. The way I've got it set up, they come back like this, but if you take that bar up front and move it back here to the rear, then it's going to drag going this direction, and what that's going to do is put a different angle on your tines digging in. So it works, you can go more aggressive or less aggressive, or you can just flip the whole thing upside down and use it. You can see I've already worn part of the tops of it off there, just to smooth out and level stuff without getting aggressive with using these spikes at all. These things are much less expensive than a lot of the other implements or tools you're going to get for your tractor. You can also drag them with your 4x4, your lawnmower maybe, your side-by-side like I use, and save yourself a bunch of tractor diesel fuel. And we use it for everything from you reseed your yard, you want to work the seed in a little bit, works great for that. You got Bermuda yard, you want to de-thatch it, they work great for that. Working seed and fertilizer into food plots, they work great for that. You don't want to buy a land plane to maintain your gravel driveway, you guessed it, they work great for that. You got horses or you got cows in a pasture and you just want to get rid of some of the piles of horse manure or cow manure, drag your pasture with one of these and it helps spread all that mess out. So I mean, they're just great handy little tools to have around the homestead. You can engineer one yourself. There's all kinds. I've seen people take old tires and chain them together and put bolts up through them. They drill a hole in the side of the tire, and then those bolts act as the fingers that do the dragging. There's all kinds. I've seen stuff just as simple as a length of chain link fence, and of course that's not going to work into the ground as much, but it's going to do a bang-up job for dressing up your baseball field, horse arena, anything like that you need done. I'll just give you a quick example on the driveway and what kind of stuff that does. You can see the demarcation line right here. When I was pulling the drag harrow up there to park it the other day, I just made a single pass, and you can see the difference in how this is compacted, and this over here, not nearly as much. These things are great little additions to your homestead. You don't have to use a tractor to pull them. Now, you can get all kinds of different sizes, so if you want a 12 by 18, I guess they probably make them. But right now, if you got any questions on them, give me a holler, because right now I've got other projects in mind. I've got to go cultipack that grass seed and fertilizer I put out the other day, and then worked into the soil with that drag harrow. But what we're going to do right now is take this cultipacker from Everything Attachments, and then we're going to get busy cultipacking down the garden spot to firm that up a little bit. And we're also going to go over the yard. If you like this kind of stuff, give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Hit Niggers Outdoors. Bye.